Welcome to another R&DW Adventure Brick Builds. I'm Darryl.
And I'm Renee.
And today we've got the Apollo Lander for our Lego build. It's kit number 10266. And this one really caught my attention because, you know,
it's cool. But
as a child in the 70s, how can you not have loved the Apollo space program? Mm-hmm. And it's just a really cool kit.
It is a really cool kit.
But we thought it was kind of appropriate today. Well, this is going to be a couple of weeks late probably, but
with the new Mars landing.
Yeah, the Perseverance Rover landed successfully, which we're quite happy about.
Absolutely.
We're going to get our discovery on the trackable hopefully this week, even though we already know it.
Right.
No, the 25th is a different geocache.
Oh, that's a different one, but yes.
But we're going to try our hand at building this one today. I'm expecting this to be a little bit.
Pieces.
Well, it's only 1,000-something pieces, I think it said.
I like the astronaut in here though.
Yeah, the astronaut minifig is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So that's the back of the box. Not that you're going to be able to see much in the video, but the Apollo 11 lander at 1,087 pieces. Not that much.
That isn't that much.
That's smaller than the trees.
That is true.
So we have two bags number 4. At least 2 number 2s.
This isn't numbered. And 2 number 1s.
Okay. So 3 goes down here, which is only a 1. This one doesn't have a number. This is a 4.
Right. No, this doesn't have a number.
So there's 3 4s. Oi. We have stickers for our lander. Those are pretty cool. This is kind of like what they did with the architecture books. It starts with a little history on it.
His head is in there and his body's in here.
So one, we're building the base and the astronaut. And it looks like we will need this as well for one.
I think so.
But I'm not sure. No.
And part of his helmet's here.
Well, everything for him should be in here. But I'm thinking this is not... Oh, how bizarre. But this is not, I think, part of this first build.
Oh, it's not?
Because it says that we need the one bag labeled 1. But we've got what looks to be kind of weird for the
no, he's holding
helmet.
his helmet like, oh, because see, helmet's in here and it goes on here.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It's weird.
You have legs in there.
Yeah. There's 4 parts to his body.
Oh, I think I figured this out. There.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay. Here.
So our lunar astronaut is dressed and falling. Wow, he's pretty heavy. And that is the first part. Now we have to build the actual base, which is going to involve one of those big long pieces and one of the smaller long gray pieces.
And 3 of the, how many?
3 of the 2x3. All right, so that does it for
Bag number
bag
one.
one.
Bags one.
Bags one. And now we get to build the descent stage. With a very complicated step 1.
Yeah, that's hard.
Alright, and now that we got the stickers on, we get to move on to bag 3, which looks like it completes our descent stage, including the legs. Hey, look, bars of gold.
Cool. Okay, so
And
bag
voila,
number 3.
we have the descent stage finished. And on to 4, where apparently we have yet another astronaut.
No, I think we didn't have the astronaut before. We
No, we did.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
So I think
alrighty.
we're getting our second astronaut, because there were 2 astronauts.
Oh.
So we've got our second helmet in here, our second visor. For those who like monochromatic, we have the ascent stage. I like it. It's cool.
It is cool.
Not easy to build.
Oh no, my hands hurt.
But I like this build, and it's not affixed to the base
No,
at all.
I like that. It's kind of like the same like our plant, like our bonsai.
Yeah, so this comes off.
So it can take off and land. But it has some landing pads.
Yeah.
So that it doesn't
So that
just
holds
roll
you
off.
in. Yeah. So that holds it in place, and then this comes off in the front. Yeah, it comes off. There's stickers on the inside.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty in depth. I like it. I don't know where we're gonna put it. Where are we gonna put it?
I don't know,
I'm afraid of it breaking.
but it is a cool one that
It
took
is.
a lot longer for us to put
How
together.
long did it take us?
I'm gonna say it's roughly 2.5 hours.
Okay.
And it did stress out the cameras enough that we had some issues with the time-lapse cameras.
Sorry, but
So hopefully we have everything in here for you guys. But
hopefully you
these-
enjoyed this
These
build.
should be out. There we go.
Hopefully you enjoyed this build. I did. I think this is not one that I would do when I'm at night. Like, I do
Like
it during
now?
the day. Yeah, I'm tired and these pieces were getting smaller and smaller as we were doing it.
Well, and here's the other thing is we do
that
have
hair's
the
stuck in.
doors that open.
They're supposed to open?
Yeah, right there. See,
Okay.
here's our tape recorder.
Hello, 1980s,
80s.
70s.
Where's the other one? This one. Okay, here.
Oh.
And then this one has the air filter, I'm assuming.
Let me see. Okay. Yeah, we have a tape recorder and an air filter. I really like the little doors in here, but it's like, how do you get to them? I mean, you can push them, but then
Yeah.
you can't close them again
Well, and then you
without
have to
taking
take off
it
your
apart.
phone. See, it
Take off
has-
your phone? Is that what you just
No,
said?
you have to take it apart.
Oh.
So you have the doors that close.
Uh-huh.
You can push them open. But on this side, you've got that. And the single lever,
That's probably what opens and closes the doors.
no.
It's the remote control of
it's
the,
the
of the
single
60s
lever.
and 70s.
To control the descent stage.
Because that's how it works. And if you lose one, you have an extra. Look. Just in case.
Oh, now I can't get it back together.
Sorry.
Almost. There it goes. It's
But
not
it
that
is
tough.
really cool.
But
It's
that's
just,
part of the problem.
yeah.
But I can't get this back together because this is a really bizarre little. No, it's gonna jam.
Oh, that is weird.
We need our polar aparter thingy.
No, just leave it so we can see the air filter.
Well, I think I have to flip it over. I'm gonna have to shake it loose.
This is why you're not an aeronautical engineer.
If I were engineering this, I would not have built this like this. Let me try putting it in this way. Nope, that doesn't work either.
Just leave the door open.
Yeah, because that works for a descent stage.
Air filter falls out. It's all good.
Alright, we'll figure this out later. So thanks for tuning in, and click the subscribe button over there so that you can get more videos like this whenever we do them, and geocaching and junk fooding and opening of
Okay.
Disney products and all kinds of other stuff. And then on this side we're going to put the playlist for the brick builds, so if you like this, there's going to be a lot more videos like it just on there.